Have you ever caught yourself in a browser tabs jungle? Do your tabs seem to multiply like a wet gremlin? Do your tabs resemble shark's teeth by the end of the day? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're what Chrome user experience engineer Edward Jung referred to as a tab collector. Don't feel bad, you don't have to get rid of any of those tabs. We know you need every last one of them. Simply use groups to organize them. Let's get started. In Windows, hold the Control key or Command key on a Mac while clicking tabs that you want to group. Right-click any of the selected tabs and select Add Tabs to New Group. Name your group something clever and you've just given your tab collecting an upgrade. You can repeat the process with other tabs to make more groups. At this point, you can click the group to collapse it or right-click to edit the name or color of the group. You can even drag the other tabs into pre-existing groups. That's it. Happy tab collecting.